Good afternoon, my dear friends. It's quite a thrill for me to walk into this station booth just to be with you again and realize that I am welcomed as Miss Love, a lady who some would say has this passion for carrying on a program without being a bore. One who can read her poetry that gets appreciation from viewers and listeners. Comments and text messages raise my ego. They flatter my soul. They stimulate my heart. Indeed, I like being Miss Love. Your continued following fills my heart and mind with a good spirit of friendship, both far and near. Show me the way to win your hearts. Thank you for believing in what I am doing. Thank you for staying and listening despite your busy Sunday. Thank you for caring and following my program. Miss Love is now signing off.
Today I held flowers and I dressed in white. I made a promise and my mother cried. And every moment till this one right now fades in the shadow of the love that we found. 'Cause I never knew love like you showed me.
Seeing Love. She left the past behind, together with the love that kept her blind. Years of silence finally broken, everything inside disclosed and spoken. Nothing seems to be in place, yet now she finds love in many ways. Life's ups and downs indeed is a cycle. It hurts, but it never makes her bow or buckle. The heart is unafraid to start anew, a privilege not by the many but by the few. True love dwells in nothingness. Long shall it stay to defy loneliness. Sorrow and pain dropped her to the ground. Happiness and hope though in her heart abound. Lonely soul hidden in darkness long gone, she keeps her stride and follows the sun. Indeed, behind the dark clouds are silver linings. By Genevieve.
And I let it change me and open my world. And I found you. I found myself there in your eyes, waiting for me for this whole time.
many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours.
Love does not need to be perfect. It has just to be true. True love defies time and physical distance. True love withstands time and endures forever. Take this from Miss Love.
Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here.
This song entitled Born for You by David Pomeranz is dedicated to my family, especially to my sisters, Ate Mayame Barata Orbita sa Avedra, Ate Bebot Orbita Cruzata from Hawaii, USA. My Ate Nympha Orbita Moralio, he's now in heaven. I love you, Ate, I always do. And of course, my brothers from Atlanta, Georgia, USA, Boboy and Loy Orbita. Thank you so much for watching.
What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away.
And of course, a very good friend of mine, Kuya Pio Figura, and his wife Alona, and pretty daughters Nicole and Pia from Vancouver, Canada. Hello guys. Thank you so much for following my program.
What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Sometimes love for someone lingers, though time has slipped away some of its memories. The feeling is never gone and never left you. It stays. It goes with time. It endures forever. This is the mystery of love and loving. Take this from Miss Love.
My Valentine. La, 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 And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out.
The song entitled My Valentine by Martina McBride is dedicated to Fiscal Aimee Abardo and of course her kids, Ben and Princess. Also to attorney Jojo Gaide. Get well soon, Aimee. I love you so much. And of course, to Ate Irene Martinez Valenzuela and family from Santander, Spain. Thank you for following my program.
I know it's been hard. I see how you've cried. I can tell that the jagged edge of the world has cut you deep inside. So don't try and hide. There's no reason for your heart to believe. What you need is a personal touch, a hand on your shoulder, someone to hold you tight, someone to kiss you and make it right.
All these years, you long for someone who will take care of you, who will take care of your soul, your heart, and everything about you. It's a prayer deep-seated in the heart that one day, such prayer will be answered.
No need anymore. Leave the cool neon signs and slick bottom lines by someone else's door. And you can be sure by the morning your soul will be free. All you need is a personal touch.
This song entitled A Personal Touch by David Pomeranz is dedicated to Yusant High School, Bat 76 with its president, Dr. Bebot Fornoles. Of course, to Ate Mia Mebareta Urbita Saavedra, Ate Iday Villamer Basilia, Ate Lilia Vargas de Castro, Ate Vic Tembang Perez, Ate Salvi Sepe Libardo, Rose Burilla, and of course to Ate Irene Martinez Valenzuela and husband Kuya Teddy and their kids, Allison and Raquel. Thank you guys for following my program. And of course, to Monica Perique from Limassol, Cyprus. Hello, Monique. Thank you so much for watching.
Tonight,
Hello, Kuya Don Peter Cavite. Safe sailing, Kuya Don. Thank you so much for supporting my program.
with a personal touch tonight.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door.
Lost love can always be found if you are willing to open your heart. Always give your heart the chance for a fresh start. Always keep your heart open for new beginnings. Keep the hope that love will come along in God's perfect time. Take this from His love.
Lifetime and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true time.
The song entitled My Heart Will Go On is dedicated to my good friend of mine, Ray Valle, and of course his wife, Juliet. Also to Colonel Felix Taduran, Kuya Danny Orhe, Nitz Lucena from London, UK, and Kuya Danny Orhe. Hello guys, thank you so much for listening or watching my program. Also to Noel Paddy and company from Guyudan, Bato, Camarines Sur.
And you'll hear in my heart and my
Hello Melna Robles, Moralio and son Zion. Also to my inaanak, Anjo Robles Moralio and his wife Cindy. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, Monique Perique from Limassol, Cyprus. And Nan Karandang Rombano from London, UK. Hello to Fiscal Tony Berina, Banse, and husband Bong Banse. I love you guys, I always do. And my beautiful inaanak, attorney Gia Abonita Monte Alto and family.
more chilled and soon she'll be by. Hope and pray she'll say that she's willing to give us another try. And if all these plans are made don't melt the lady's heart, I'll put on the old 45, and maybe the old songs will bring back the old.
What is in a song that makes you laugh or cry? What is in a song that makes you forget or remember? Is it your youth filled with laughter and tears? Is it the lady you love but lost in your dreams? Or is it the love lost in time and space? Miss Love wonders and just can't wait to hear you answer.
Walked away. Maybe the old songs will bring back the old times.
This song entitled The Old Songs by David Pomeranz is dedicated to my only son, RJ, the love of my life, and of course, to my favorite nephews, AC and Wawi sa Avetra. I love you guys, I always do.
Things light up when I come home.
And to my good friends from Ateneo Dinaga University, Dr. Popoy Riganit, Dr. Bernard Marquez, Dr. Becky Torres, Dr. Lydia Gowingo, and Cres La Guerta. I miss you guys. I hope that one of these days we'll be able to see each other again. And of course, to Professor Boboy Pesimo, the Vice President for Administration, University of Northeastern Philippines. Thank you so much, Sir Boboy, for always watching my program.
Head on my shoulder.
Hello to my assistant, Evelyn Ibias, and my good friends, Ma'am Joy Oco and Liza Nacario. I miss you.
Walked away. Maybe the old songs will bring back the old times and make her want.
Hello, Kuya Pio Figura and family from Vancouver, Canada, and Kuya Don Peter Cavite. Safe sailing, Kuya Don. Hope to see you someday.
Make her wanna stay.
He used to give me roses. I wish he could again. But that was on the outside. And things were different then. We built our world together. With a love so clear and strong. But that was on the outside. Where did I go wrong? On the inside, the sun still shines.
You just do not love someone who sees only the good in you, but rather you need someone who sees the bad in you and yet still loves you. Take this from Miss Love.
to face the nightmare of waking up alone.
The song entitled On the Inside by Lynn Hamilton is dedicated to Kuya Eli Mendoza, Kuya Frankie Cruzada from Hawaii, USA, my friends from the military, General William Gonzalez, Colonel Angel Valenzuela, Major Rolly Granados, Major Harry Portem, Major Anthony Caro, and Captain Joseph Manigpas. And of course, to a very, very good friend of ours, Colonel Leonard Dalina. Hello guys, we miss you. This song is dedicated to you from me and my sister, Ate Miyame Barreta Orbita sa Aveda.
He used to give me roses. I wish he could again, but that was on the outside, and things were different then.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, the limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary
Love does not choose its participants. It happens to anyone. It takes place anywhere. It cuts across all genders and all ages. Sometimes, far from our thought, we end up with a person who does not fulfill our expectations. But that is what love is all about. It is something that you just feel. It is real and you can't just deny it. Take this from Miss Love.
absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I'll be waiting here for you.
This song entitled Ordinary Song by David Pomeranz is for Kuya Maui Dakara. Hello Kuya Maui, this song is a favorite song of yours. And of course to my sister Ate Miyame Barreta Orbita sa Avedra, Ray Valle, Colonel Felix Taduran, Major Maui Frahinal, and my best friends forever, LV Lanyogbara and Vanchi Dakara Sapiko. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching.
Time
time just slips away, and you're left with yesterday, left with the memories. I'll always think of you and smile and be happy for the time I had you with me. Though we've gone our separate ways, I won't forget, so don't forget the memories we made. Please remember, please remember.
When you love someone, you always yearn for his presence and long for the way he makes you feel you are loved. And whenever his arms wrap tight around you, there is always this burning desire that the love you have for him would be forever. Take this from Miss Love.
Please remember, please remember me. Goodbye. There's just no sad word to say, and it's sad to walk away.
This song entitled Please Remember by Leon Rimes is dedicated to the whole staff of RPN DZKI. I love you guys and I always do, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to join the band or to be with you every Sunday. I love you and you know that.
Remember, I was there for you, and you were there for me. And remember, please remember.
And to Kuya Pio Figura from Vancouver, Canada. And of course, his family, his wife, Alona, and daughters, Pia and Nicole. Also to Ate Irene Martinez Valenzuela and husband, Kuya Teddy. And the pretty girls, Alison and Raquel. Kuya Don Peter Cavite and family. Thank you so much for following my program. And of course, to Monica Perique from Limassol, Cyprus. Hello, Ate Miyam Ibarata Ubita sa Avedra, and to Ate Vic Vic Katimbang Perez from Australia. And of course, to my good friends since high school. Well, way back in high school, we used to be together. Jojo Fornoles from Canada and Joe Villamer from Dubai.
I stood by you, you stood by me.
Oh, well, my beautiful friend, my very beautiful friend from Brazil, Marcelo Silva Santos and family. To your wife, Eliana, and your only son.
Please remember. Please remember.
There are nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Oh, tell me, where did I go
Ending a relationship does not mean it is not worth having. Sometimes good things fall apart so that better things fall together. At times, you need to be broken in order to be stronger and more resilient. Take this from Miss Love.
Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Oh, tell me.
This song entitled Tell Me by David Pomeranz is dedicated to Ate Cecil and Kuya Boy Arriazgado. Vic Katimbang Perez and daughter Lian. Of course, the board member Manny Noble of Buhi St. Joseph Academy, and the principal, the high school principal from the same school, Ma'am Nit Santa Rosa. This song is dedicated to you from Ate Miam Ibareta Urbita Saavedra.
Ours to have, I let it go with your goodbye.
Born on the wrong side of the ocean, with all the tides against you. You never thought you'd be much good for anyone, but that's so far from the truth. I know there's pain in your heart, and you're covered in scars. I wish you could see what I do, 'cause baby, everything you are is everything I need. You're everything to me, baby. Every single part is who you're meant to be, 'cause you were meant for me, and you're everything I need. You can say I'm wrong, you can turn your back.
Love is never measured neither by time nor space. It's inside us. It's always there. It endures time. It withstands time. And it endures forever. Take this from Miss Love.
'Cause baby, everything you are is everything I need. You're everything to me.
This song entitled Everything I Need by Skylar Grey is a favorite song of my son, RJ, and of course, my favorite nephews, AC and Wawi Saavedra. Hello guys, thank you so much for being there when others are not. This song entitled Everything I Need is the soundtrack of the movie Aquaman. We frequently listens to this song. We love this song so much. And every time this is being played, the four of us, AC, Wawi, and RJ, enjoy listening. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, and this song is for you.
It's who you're meant to be, 'cause you were meant for me, and you're everything I need.
smile. Well, I've been looking at you forever, but I never saw you before. And these your hands holding mine. Now I wonder how I could have been so blind. And for the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I
If we did not experience pain, happiness would not be so pleasant. If we did not taste bitterness, laughter would not be welcomed. Seasons may come and go. They may change from time to time. But let it be that love and hope for every season remain in our hearts. Take this from Miss Love.
Am I the person I was this morning? And are you the same you? It's all so strange. How can it be? All along this love was right in front of me. And for the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time.
This song entitled For the First Time by Kenny Loggins is for my good friends from out there. Noel Kearns from Ireland and Marcelo Silva Santos from Brazil. Thank you so much, Marcelo, for watching my program. Say hi to your family, especially to your mom and to your wife too. I hope that one of these days I would be able to chat with you. It's just that I'm too busy these days. But I promise you, when you try to contact me, I will be there. I will be your friend forever. And of course, to Joe Villamer from Dubai and Jojo Fornoles from Canada. Thank you so much, my friends. Hello, Roy Layosa, my best friend forever.
For the first time, I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I
Hello, Nits Luzenia from London, UK, and Father Ray Caceres, the parish priest of Ocampo, Camarines Sur.
for the first time. I'd like to live out all my dreams, and if I could, yes, if I could, the nicest one would be with you, and you'd be here with me. Don't you ever get lonely, Lord, I'm no good when you're away. But what do you expect from a girl who loves you like I love you? Won't you ever just get tired can't do without. You're a part of me. The dreams are all about what you can't hold on to. Something that you
Love that gives you the freedom to live is the same love that makes you happy and satisfied. So when you find this kind of love, keep it and never let it go, for this will only come once in our lifetime. Take this from Miss Love.
friends say it's great, now you're a star. But what do they expect from a girl who loves you just the way you were? And late at
The song entitled You're a Part of Me by Anne Murray is dedicated to my friends from USANT High School Batch 76 with its president, Dr. Bebot Fornales. Hi to Ate Miami Barreta Orbita Saavedra, Ate Lilia Vargas de Castro, Rose Borilla, Ate Vic Katimbang Perez, and of course to Monica Perique from Limassol, Cyprus. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching.
bring you back again, take you away, take you away, take you away, take you away. Honey, I love you. Take me away, take me away, take me away. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, then how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the
There is nothing wrong of waiting if the one you are waiting for is worth the wait. Love is indeed patient. Love waits. Love takes time. And love endures forever. No matter how far, no matter how long, love will always find you. Take this from Miss
I
Love.
will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance.
This last song of mine, entitled Right Here Waiting by Richard Marx, is dedicated to my loving sister who is always there, telling me that she lost me at FB because she's always watching, you know. Ate, I'm still live. Please check. She's in Naga right now. And this song is for you, Ate. And of course, to the whole Orbita clan, especially to the love of our life. AC and Wabi Saavedra and my only son, RJ.
Crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do.
Hello, Kuya Pio Figuran family, Ate Irene Martinez and family, Kuya Don Peter Cavite and family. Thank you so much for following and supporting my program.
I'll be right here waiting for.
Hi to Monica Perique from Limassol, Cyprus. Hello, Ray Valle and Colonel Felix Saduran. Hi, Neats, Luzenia from London.
Waiting for you. In a lifetime made of memories, I believe in destiny. Every moment returns again in time. When I've got the future on my mind, know that you'll be the only one. Meet me halfway across the sky.
So this is one beautiful song to conclude my program. Well, let's call it a day. Indeed, I'm glad that I have been with you for at least an hour. Let us always hope for better days ahead. Let us be optimistic about things to come. The world indeed has so much for us to bear, yet we still see the beauty of life despite its imperfections. Always believe that the world is all about us. It's all about you and me. It's about surviving and living up with our deals and challenges that go with life. We may be broken at times, but we live, we survive, we endure. Just keep on believing, keep on loving, keep on dreaming, keep on hoping, and keep on going, for God has so much in store for us. I love you, RJ, my son, my life, my world, and my pride. Miss Love is now signing off.